What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about Baby Doge. We're finally listed onto KuCoin officially. So we're going to talk about this today. But anyways, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, don't forget to come over here to cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the industry. I know you see this. I got the Crypto Millionaire shirt on right now out here in Thailand. So definitely check out the cryptomillionaires.shop for all of the best crypto merch in the industry. So definitely check that out. But anyways, without further ado, let's go over Baby Doge because we are now officially on KuCoin. So we're going to go over that first. So trading is now live for Baby Doge on KuCoin. That's very, very good. It took us a while to get on KuCoin, but now that we're finally here, it's very, very good. Now, one thing I will say, we did expect to see a large major pump, but KuCoin is a huge trading platform, so a lot of people will sell on there. Those buy and sell and stuff like that. But yeah, what we're seeing here is not much increase in the volume, and it is what it is. But I think over time this is going to help us because a lot of money flows through KuCoin. So let me just kind of put things into perspective for this. A lot of money flows through KuCoin. So total, okay. So right now it's actually showing it inside of different currency. Okay, there it is. Now it's showing $1.1 billion. It was showing it in Bitcoin for some reason. But yeah, $1.1 billion inside of KuCoin every single 24 hours. 1.173 if you want to be exact. That's a lot of money. And Baby Doge now has access to that market share. So even though we're down 4.9% in the last 24 hours, we still have that access to the market share. Next bull market, that's when this is really gonna show. Through the next bull market, we'll start to see, larger volume, especially if we get listed onto different exchanges as well. KuCoin is usually the first to list. So I think from here, now we can tackle Binance. Now we can get to crypto.com. Now we can get to Coinbase. Now we can get to all these other exchanges just based off this one exchange because the snowball effect, and it'll eventually get to Binance. Okay, but Binance US and all this other good stuff, Kraken, Coinbase. There's a lot of exchanges, OKX, and I didn't expect crypto.com to be this low, but crypto.com is at rank 15. We would definitely benefit a lot from crypto.com because I think they're one of the more mainstream platforms. Even though not as much volume goes through crypto.com as a lot of these other exchanges, crypto.com is still very mainstream. And also we see it, on the football stadiums for the soccer. We see them all the time on those stadiums, promoting. So I think it would be cool to get listed on crypto.com as well. But also over here, we now have 1,734,838 holders. So our holders did increase from getting on to KuCoin, especially in the last 2 weeks. In the last 2 weeks, we got 14,000 new holders. So yeah, we're definitely doing some good work. So yeah, shout out to Baby Doge Army, from the new people to the older ones that's been in here for a while. So shout out to both new and older Baby Doge people. But yeah, we are trending on Twitter here with Baby Doge inside of business and finance. So that's pretty good as well. Now, the KuCoin listing, they also added margin. So now we have isolated margins for Baby Doge. So that's pretty cool. Now you have leverage trading on there. So yeah, Baby Doge is literally official now on KuCoin. I want to see it on Binance and everything else in the future also. But yeah, this is pretty cool to see. Pretty interesting. So you can definitely check that out if you want. Now, there's something big coming up for Baby Doge that they're talking about today, 420. So yeah, this is interesting. I want to see what they're talking about. It's 9:44 a.m. right now where I'm at. They said this is going to be at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So Eastern Standard Time. So EST time. I just want to see what the Eastern Standard Time is now. So it's 10:45 p.m. right now, but it's April 19th. Like, it's it's a previous day in Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Thailand right now. Usually I am in Eastern Standard Time because because I'm inside Florida. So that's usually what Eastern Standard Time is. But we are seeing now it's 10:45 p.m. And it's yesterday. That's weird saying, but yeah, it's yesterday right now. So yeah, we'll be waiting though until 4:20 p.m. So for me, I think this will be more like nighttime. So nighttime going into the next day, that's when I'll update you all because it's morning right now where I'm at, and it's nighttime probably where you're at. But anyways, moving on from this, we're gonna I'll definitely talk about the update, the major announcement. I think it might be for the game, or it might be another exchange listing. I mean, it could be either one, like the game or the exchange listing. Who knows? Maybe even the Baby Doge card. We haven't heard anything about that in a while, but who knows? We'll see what it is. Now, Baby Doge swap. Our liquidity is now at $60.44 million. That's pretty good. Volume now at the 24-hour volume at 1.39 million. That's very good as well. And 12.1 billion or 12.1 trillion in the last 24 hours burn, which is $40,000. So yeah, that's good. That's good. Total 205 call drilling. So yeah, we're burning a lot more too. So all is well there. Now, as for the burn portal here, let's let this load up here. But the burn portal is also still moving nicely, 66.6 trillion now. So that's pretty good. It's a little step up from the last time. And let's go over to the farms also as well. So, okay, the farms over here, we're at 59% in APR. Liquidity at 4,198,445 for this top farm. Other farms seem to be doing good as well. And yeah, my money is pretty good inside of there. I'm just going to leave it in there. Like I said, I'm just going to let that money continue to build because at 6Z1, I reckon that would probably be like $10,000 or something like that. I'm not sure. But if it is, then that means I'll be getting $5,900 every month based off the $173 that's in there right now. I put this money in there at $90. So I put $90 in there and now it's already at 173. It was at 190 earlier this month because we were pumping. But yeah, it's doing pretty good. I'm gonna keep you all updated on my farming journey. And yeah, Baby Doge Swap ranked 104 now on DeFi Llama. Up 9% in the last 7 days. But let's talk about the technical analysis for Baby Doge. So, first things first here with the technical analysis for Baby Doge, we got halfway down here to the support of the Fibonacci at 8Z30. So, we pretty much got halfway down there to that point. But what's pretty interesting is that now we're kind of having a little bit of recovery. And now with us being officially on KuCoin, there's the possibility that we could just have a random pump. Like, I think that's what it'll be. If we do pump, it'll be random. And also with the big news that we have coming out on 420, because they call it Doge Day 420. The big news that we're having though, it's going to be pretty big for us. So I think this could possibly lead to Baby Doge pumping as well. I think Dogecoin might also pump for Doge Day 420. But there's no way of knowing, and I think Elon Musk is probably going to do a tweet. So I would definitely say watch out for Dogecoin too. But that's definitely going to help out Baby Doge as well, hopefully, and our announcement on top of that. So I think we actually might have this bullish reversal, so we can finally break past 8Z36 again, because we got rejected at 8Z36. So we can finally break past that again, and eventually get up to 8Z42. And that's what we're trying to do here with the Baby Doge. It's all just contingent upon what is going to happen for this announcement that they have going on, because they're talking about a big announcement on 420 at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we'll see. We'll see. But moving on to Bitcoin here, looking at Bitcoin, we just now hit this support all the way down here with Bitcoin. This is exciting to see. It's always exciting to see predictions coming to fruition and being correct. But it's 28.8K. That's the support that we just now hit, and we kind of broke down below, and now we're at 28.7K. But the fact that I didn't just immediately tank the second it hit the support, that's kind of a good sign. because yes, there is still a possibility that it pulls back even further. Let me just show you what I mean about on the 4-hour chart. So like yes, there's the possibility that we go down way below the support, right? But we probably end up just going to the trend line, and the trend line's at about 22K. Now, if we break that trend line down here, the bullish trend line, then that means that we are no longer bullish, that it was a bear trap, and that we're probably going to end up going a little bit lower as well. We have more support down here as well. So that's something that you want to watch out for. So if this support is broken here at 28.8K and we go like lower and lower and lower down the totem pole there, then eventually, we'll hit this trend line and maybe one of these support lines as well. But I will keep you all updated on that. For right now, it does look like it's bearish though. I don't think that there's going to be an immediate recovery here. It's looking more bearish than anything. Very little buying right here. You can even see on the oscillator after all this selling to only have this small amount of buying. Yeah, that buying pressure is not enough to keep it up. So I think that we need to go down. It'd be very hard for us to try to get back up here to that resistance. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I'll keep you all updated on what's going on in the market. But yeah, definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the industry.